So far, we've focused on how to think, how to prompt, and how to improve results. Now let's look at the tools you can actually use in a workplace setting. There are many AI image tools available, but we'll focus on tools that are accessible, commonly used in organizations, and practical for everyday work. The goal here is not to compare tools in detail, but it's to show you how these capabilities show up in the tools that you may already use. Many organizations already use Microsoft 365. As shown on the slide, you can go to m365.cloud.microsoft. If you log in with your work credentials, you will see a Create button. This gives you access to a wide variety of image manipulation, image templates. It allows you to generate images with predefined sizes and formats, etc., etc. Think like a Canva for the workplace. So you can just pick template, image, infographic, and even video to use as a template or to generate a new one. It also allows you to add or adjust a brand kit for color consistency. So you see the second button, brand and color. You can just define a few colors and then it will always use those colors. And you can also generate or edit an image with size and style presets. You also see the edit an image button there. So remember our requesting IT help infographic from the first chapter. So I can just click edit an image and then upload an image. So here you see I uploaded the infographic. And to the right, you see what happens then. It will highlight a lot of text when I click you see the red arrow, edit text button. So what this will do, it will take all the text from the image and extract it and make it editable. So you can see it here to the right that my fourth bullet point, which was submit, but which was wrong because the third bullet was already submit ticket and the fourth needed to be wait for an email or whatever. So as you can see to the left, it is extracting the text from the image, and when it's done, I can just go to the text and then I can just start editing it, and I can edit it to wait for email, for example. This allows us to edit text inside infographics and schemes, and note that the font might change a bit. So in the background, it actually just grabs all the text, it tries to change it with the font that's the closest to the one that's on the screen, and then it makes it into some editable part of the image. But for these kind of tasks, I think this is one of the best tools out there. To really edit text on an image. It is really useful. Apart from this, the tool is also really amazing for infographics. So I would really encourage you to use our tacos scheme to design an infographic, and you will be amazed by the results. Um, it can also create, like it said, stories, design a poster. For me, the video results are not that amazing yet, but of course, this will improve a lot. And the create an image is also pretty good. Another widely used tool is ChatGPT. It has very strong image generation capabilities. I think currently the one or maybe the strongest on the market, and it is very flexible. You can upload up to 10 reference images. This is extremely strong. If you upload 10 images of yourself, you can really just generate a new image and it looks exactly like you. It is especially useful for iterating and more complex visual requests. To the right, you see you need to click the plus button and then click the create image icon, and then it is selected, which you can see in the bottom left. Then you just need to describe or edit a reference image you upload. So in this example, I upload again my two reference images from the campus picture, and I use exactly the same taco prompt that I used for generating it in a few earlier chapters. And this was my result. It looks, I think, pretty amazing. This is really editorial, not overly, stock photo wise. And yeah, I think this is a very strong result of the picture. Now, it has very good edit capabilities. So to the bottom left, you see that every generation has an edit button. So once you click edit, it opens up the region and also a select tool. You can then just select a part and then ask an edit for that part only. So in this case, I just ask them to wear roller skates, or maybe it is roller blades in English, I don't know. Um, but I just ask it like, all right, on that part, of course, on the feet, make them wear roller skates. And this will only edit that part of the image, which is very useful because some other tools just come up with a completely other image. And this is not what you want. And this is my result. I get the exact same image, but with roller skates on. A last one worth mentioning is ideogram. Ideogram was very early in text on images. So in the early days, text on images was just very bad. But ideogram managed to do it pretty well, and it has evolved to